'Twas the night before Christmas as Nick flew on his way o'er Nevada's Lake Tahoe, near evening that day. At Sparks they climbed high, over Reno dipped low. It's the biggest little city in the world, did you know? They buzzed Carson City and Virginia City too, where the reindeer showed off all the tricks they could do. Dodging jets over Nellis, the glow was so bright that Nick showed the team something wasn't quite right. In the distance it shimmered. Put your shades on, my boys, 'cause this could get dangerous. At all costs save toys. It got brighter and brighter the closer they came, and the deer became nervous. Was this some kind of game? They started to dive. Santa hung on real tight, quite fearful this would put an end to their flight. But he finally landed the sleigh right side up, crawled out, and then walked into a saguaro cactus. "Ouch," he yelled loudly, "I'm stuck on this tree. Get me off. Hurry, lads, 'cause this is hurting my knee." And he goes on from there, and it becomes a virtual tour of Las Vegas, ending with the words, "Then she heard Nick call out as he flew through the night, 'Merry Christmas, Nevada, you're a beacon of light.'"